All right, so based on that, I need to work on the grout next. And what I looked up online, I'm going to use Goo Gone, and I had gotten this tool a while back to kind of put some of that Goo Gone on and then scrape the existing caulk out from around the pan and then up one side, really, or maybe both sides, I don't know, I'll have to check as I go through. The other thing I looked up was, if you noticed on the shower pan, I had dried caulk, or not dried caulk, dried grout. And so I looked up how do you get that off of like a plastic thing, and I found you should use plastic, these scrapers and a mixture of baking soda and water. So I'm going to do the scraping around the caulk first, because that is going to have to dry for like a day before I actually lay the new caulk down, and then put the mixture of the baking soda and water, laying it around the different areas of the shower pan and letting it sit for like 10 to 15 minutes so it softens up, so then I can take and scrape it out. So here we go. So I was wrong. I'm not putting the baking soda on yet. If I need to, I will. What it said is to do 1 part white vinegar, 1 part warm water, lay it on top of it, and put like a towel or paper towel or something like on top of it and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes to help soften it. So I'm going to do that now. All right, so I was able to get a majority of it off. There's still probably about like 20, 30% that is really stuck on there for the dried grout. So I am now taking baking soda, mixing it with water to make a paste, putting it on there and like scrubbing it in circles to see if that'll help me to get that dried grout out now. Wish me luck. Here's the spot that I am gonna let sit. Do the vinegar and water again. I think the vinegar and water again, because then that will soak in and hopefully break that up a little bit. The one thing that I have learned so far in this is when you are grouting, either put something down so the grout falls on it when it slops in different places, if you can't mix it as good as you're supposed to, or even if you do and it falls, or make sure that you pick it up as quickly as you can so that it doesn't dry and harden like it has for me, because I'm going through this extra step because of it.